Here we go. Heather here from Portland, Volvo with a 2017 Jeep Wrangler in Xtreme Purple Pearlcoat with a black interior. Man, this has under 18,000 miles on it. It's got the winter package, so you get all kinds of cool details like the graphics on the front of the hood here, and then you'll also find more graphics on the rear passenger side. It's got all the metal pieces, so the running boards, the taillight covers, these bumpers, all metal. This bumper is all set up. You can pop a winch right in there. This has a 3-inch lift kit, full LED factory headlights, 3.6 liter V6 engine, heavy duty suspension with these high performance gas shocks. We get cool trade-ins all the time. This one is super cool. This has the freedom top, so you can take the top, the front off and ride, just with the back covered. That's fun. It's got the all-weather subwoofer. And then for a little more space, we can put this seat down. Up, put this seat up. These are leather trimmed seats. The what handles, nice gloss black. This has heated seats. And not too much with the touchscreen, but you do have navigation. All right, well, if you are ready for the best adventure, this is stock number 21231A. PortlandVolvo.com has all the details, and we would love to see you in for a test drive. This is just the best toy you could get yourself. You deserve it. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo.